guys, welcome to my channel. This is my first tutorial and I would like to make a toast. A toast for first and many. This video is going to be about 5 different hairstyles you can do with your box braids. I want to give a shout out to Ernisha from Urban Hairstyles for hooking me up with these beautiful box braids. And if you like to watch my 5 different hairstyles, just keep watching.
Wow! I feel good. I knew that I wouldn't.
So this is how the braids look down. I just wrap them. The weight is perfect, not too heavy, not too thick. I love it. So we're going to start with our first style. It's going to be a half up. You're just gonna grab like the front braids. Just bring them up. Yes. And we're going to need an elastic band. Yes, just an elastic band. To make it look chic and clean, I'm going to take 2 braids. 1 and 2. Let's take 2. That's the same length. Yeah, like this. 1, 2, and just bring it over and around. And tuck it in at the back. So this is how you create the half up. If you like to add some accessory, scrunchies are so in these days. I made this one myself. If you're interested, you can hook me up for one of these. There you have it. It gives you a little volume as well on top. So you can make it a little more 80s, 90s type of half up. So this is going to be our second hairstyle, and this one is going to be a half up bun, almost the same as the first one. So again, we're going to grab the front braid and we're going to grab our elastic band and tie it twice. And we're going to pull and stop right in the middle. So you're going to leave your ends out like this. And again, you're going to grab a braid and bring it around like this and tuck it in at the back. And there you have it, the half up bun. So this is going to be our third hairstyle. Very easy and simple. You know, when you're going to work and you don't know what to do with your box braids, just pull them in a bun. For this one, I'm going to grab 2 elastic bands. And now we're gonna pull the hair up and together and twist. And as you twist, you try to bring it to the front. And there you have it. It's a high bun. The fourth hairstyle is going to be one with a turban, an African print turban. I'm gonna show you how I wrap my turban with my box braids all the way up. And we're gonna start in the back. Like this. Hold the 2 ends together and then cross them, twist them and the side and the back. Make sure you hide your elastic bands. And there you have it! It's so cute! So for our last and fifth look, we're going to create a more fancy and chic look. You can wear for a date night, for a girls' night out, you name it. It's going to be pretty simple. You're just gonna need to side part your hair like this. And for this part, you're going to lay it down. Again, you want to grab 2 braids and bring them around. And as you reach the end, you want to twist and tuck. And there you have it. Your chic side ponytail. So guys, that was it. I hope you guys liked the video. If you want more tutorials, you can just ask away. If you have some comments or a question, just comment down below. You can find me on Instagram, isla.beauty. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Just support a girl, please. Please. Love you guys and see you guys next time. Bye.
Wow, I feel good. I knew that I would not. I feel